Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the essentials, Vscode updated and your GitHub account active. Once done, open Vscode and use the accounts icon to sign into GitHub. You'll grant permissions for Copilot. Make sure your Copilot subscription or trial is active so suggestions appear. If Vscode prompts to install the GitHub pull requests extension, allow it. This streamlines authentication. After signing in, restart Vscode so the Copilot extension can register and prepare suggestions for your code files. Next, install the GitHub Copilot extension from the extensions view and wait for it to activate. Once active, open Settings and configure languages, suggestion insertion mode, and telemetry preferences. This controls how aggressive suggestions are and whether inline or tab complete is used. Use CMD plus Shift plus P to access Copilot commands like Open Copilot or Toggle Suggestions. Make sure your file type is recognized. Set the language mode if needed, so Copilot provides. Finally, start coding. Write a comment or function signature and watch Copilot offer completions. Accept suggestions with tab, cycle alternatives with option plus, and edit the return code. You are responsible for correctness. Use targeted comments like //unit test for X to get focused outputs. If suggestions do not appear, make sure you are signed in, the extension is enabled, and your network allows requests. As a troubleshooting tip, reload the window or sign out and back in to refresh tokens and connections.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.